In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block callers in your Android phone. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app, then tap on recent option, and then choose the caller that you want to block. Suppose if I select this number, then tap on this info icon, and at the bottom you can see block option. If you want to block this caller, just tap on this block option, then just tap on block to confirm it, and it's complete. Now the caller has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a icon, that means the number is blocked now. If you want to unblock this caller or number, just go back and then tap on three dots, then go to settings option, then go to block numbers, and that's it. Now from here, if you want to unblock any caller or number, you have to just tap on this minus icon and it's complete. Now it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block callers in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.